To our channel Rajasusila Holistics. Today I am going to tell you about a very beautiful thing, peacock feathers. Peacock feathers are very beautiful to look at, colorful. They come in vivid colors, mixture of rainbow colors. Peacock feathers not only look good, they are very powerful in attracting positive energy and dispelling negative energy from the space. Wherever you feel that there is stale energy or energy is getting stagnated and the chi energy becomes shar energy, in those places you can place peacock feathers so that it will make the shar energy into good energy. When you enter a house, as soon as you enter the house, on the right side of the house, you place peacock feathers so that when you enter into the house, you can see the peacock feathers. Such placement of peacock feathers will definitely attract positive vibrations into the house, abundance, good health, joy, whatever you need, all kind of positive energy entering into your house, mainly abundance. And peacock feathers, you can also there are many ways in using the peacock feathers. First thing is, if there is disharmony between couple, then you place peacock feather in your bedroom so that the disharmony between couple will vanish slowly and good harmony will manifest. You can also, in many houses, mother-in-law and daughter-in-law, they will not have a cordial relationship. If daughter-in-law is not having cordial relationship with her mother-in-law, let her place peacock feather in the southwest part of the house so that their relationship becomes very friendly. If mother-in-law is not feeling relationship being good with her daughter-in-law, mother-in-law can do the same thing, placing peacock feathers in the southwest so that they become very friendly. And one more thing, you can place peacock feather in the western part of the house. Western part of the house, placing peacock feather 7 in number. It should not be more or it should not be less. 7 numbers of peacock feathers in a metal vase. You place it in the western side of your house. It will bring tremendous change in the behavior of your children. Many people feel that their children are becoming adamant day by day. They are giving back answers. They are not listening to them properly, not concentrating on education. They are cultivating bad friends. Such parents, you try this tip, you will really feel lot of change coming in your children, their behavior getting molded. Like this, you can use peacock feathers in getting good results in your home. If you feel that my tips is useful for you, you have got some important tips from this, kindly like our video, share it, and please subscribe it.